Hello, and welcome to A Four-Born Life. Today, we will be going on an excursion. So, in this video, you will see me moving some of my plants because we are getting ready to go on a family vacation to Mississippi. That's right, Mississippi. And I just wanted to take you along. I'm going to do this in a series of 3 videos. I don't want to do one long video because everybody's time is valuable. And I just appreciate you watching my videos. I thank all of the new subscribers. The reason why I am moving some of my plants is because our sprinkler system doesn't always hit at the end of the driveway. And I just want to make sure that while we're away for a week, that the plants will still get water. So I'm moving them to locations where I know the sprinkler system will hit them. I have to figure out how I'm going to water my plants that are by the garage. I usually have them on a timer. We are now on the road getting ready to cross the border into the wonderful state of Mississippi. I'm not from Mississippi, but my husband is. My husband was super excited that we finally crossed the border and we stopped at the Welcome Center. When we first arrived at the Airbnb, you can see it was a cloudy, dreary day. It just wasn't that great. There's the house that we will be staying in for the week. The next morning when we woke up, it was a beautiful sunny day. My husband was out by the reservoir waiting for me. We were getting ready for our morning run. When we're on vacation, we don't run when it's dark because we don't know the area, so we always wait till it's light. And the light was out at 6 a.m. here in Mississippi. It was a beautiful, glorious day, and staying by the water was just so awesome every morning to come out and you're just right there at the water. So, of course, I could not help but go to a place where they are selling something that I love. Come on, let's see what they have. So my husband brought me to this place called Pots and More. We are in Brandon, Mississippi. We were driving along and I saw this place and I was like, I just have to go. That is so neat. I love this. That's neat. I guess you could sit in it or put a bench in it, hang it from a tree, or put a pot in it. Look at these. Ooh, look at these. Would be neat to have the strawberries in. Those are huge. It's only $140. That one's only $140.
Good Lord.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this one. I like that. Yeah. You got some moons and some chickens. Those things are freaking me out. Making that noise up there. Those things, they're moving. And you got some little statues. They're falling over. What is that, a cat? The chickens are only 20 bucks. The owls are 30. Oh, the owls are $38. Now look at the Native American one, or what would you call them, Native American? What is this kind of animal supposed to be? I don't know. Oh, some rabbits. And then you got the suns. A squirrel. That's my namesake, Squirrel. That was my cheerleader name. Okay, so this big pot here is $160. I don't think we can travel back with that big pot in the car though. And then they get even bigger. How much is this one? Okay, this huge one, which is up above my waist, is $430. But I think these other ones are reasonable. These are cute. This is only $18. That's a reasonable price. Oh, I like the one with the birds. It's $16. And then the turtles. How much are these turtles? Let's see a price. The ones with the hole are $16. So I think the ones with no holes are a little bit more money. And then you have these. Are $25. So if you get a little bigger, how much is this really big one? Ooh, 4 for 4 daughters. It said it's made in Mexico. I don't see a price on it though. It might be on. Can you look? Nope, it's not on there. Okay, we have fish and snails. I love the colors. Turtle. This almost looks like that turtle, but no, it was a planter. The one in, yeah. You got turtles and rabbits. The turtle is $28. And then if you got a turtle with no hole, it's $38. Oh, I like the iguana, the lizard. How much is it? I don't see a price on that. I'm gonna have to ask. Remind me to ask about that. So we have these big pots. I don't see any. These would be good to grow some stuff. And $95 for the smaller one. Oh, it's $220. Yeah. Here's a fountain. That's awesome. With a lion. Look at that blue and white pot. OMG, if I could take that home. That is beautiful. You see a price? How much? 400? $595. That is so gorgeous. I might have to go home with one of the smaller ones. Oh, this is $45. Oh, but I guess you could just have it sitting on the ground and you don't have to worry about it. This one's 35, but at least they got the holes in the bottom already. They said they're made in Mexico. Oh, there's some more of those. That big one is $110. Did I have a blue and white one? Ooh, look. That's to serve with. That's pretty. That's cute to put a little plant in. I like this as a table for outside. That's neat. You can have a glass up on top of it. That's really neat. Yeah. Oh, it's 440 bucks. I like the fountain. Oh, I like this bench. Oh, it's 230. How much is this bench? This is just what was in the books I was looking in, and it was like, I would like a cast iron bench like that or a metal bench like that. Okay, so this one still has the glass on top of it. That one must have got broken. But you could put a piece of wood on it. I like that bench. Hi. I'm doing well. How are you? I love all your stuff. What did I purchase? Let's take a look. Of course, I had to leave with one of those blue and white pots. I found these marble oval slabs. They were only $6. I also bought one in black. And this has a portrait of my mom and dad when they were younger, but I bought a black one. And then I also purchased one of the little turtles. I bought the turtle, the one that has the hole in it. I'm going to put it outside. I just haven't done it yet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.